The future of business is here, and it's called Onpassive. Onpassive is a game changer, revolutionizing the way we approach our daily operations and long-term strategies. It's using AI to change how we do business, making processes more efficient and effective. With AI, tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Onpassive wants everyone to win. It fosters an environment where success is shared and celebrated by all team members. It provides tools and opportunities for success, ensuring that everyone has what they need to thrive. From advanced software to comprehensive support, Onpassive has it all. Onpassive is a global community. People help each other, transcending geographical boundaries to collaborate and innovate together. They work together to achieve their goals, leveraging each other's strengths and expertise to overcome challenges and reach new heights. Onpassive is about more than just making money. It's about creating value, fostering innovation, and building lasting relationships. It's about building a better future, one where technology and humanity work hand in hand to create a more prosperous world. A future where everyone has a chance to succeed, regardless of their background or location. Onpassive believes in the power of AI. It sees AI as a tool that can democratize opportunities and level the playing field. AI can help us overcome challenges that once seemed insurmountable, providing insights and solutions that were previously out of reach. It can unlock our true potential, enabling us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. Onpassive is making AI accessible to everyone, ensuring that no one is left behind in this technological revolution. But before we jump in, please take a moment to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks. Many people struggle in business. It's hard to find customers. Marketing can be expensive. It's hard to know what works. Time management is a challenge. People are busy. They have families and other commitments. Onpassive understands these challenges. Technology can be overwhelming. New tools pop up all the time. It's hard to keep up. Onpassive simplifies things. Onpassive provides easy-to-use tools. These tools are powered by AI. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Onpassive offers a suite of AI-powered tools. These tools are designed to simplify business. They automate tasks and save you time. One tool is the Smart Lead Gen system. It finds potential customers for you. This helps you grow your business faster. Another tool is the Targeted Marketing platform. It helps you reach the right people with your message. This saves you money on advertising. Onpassive also offers tools for customer relationship management, or CRM. These tools help you build strong relationships with your customers. Section 4. Winning with Onpassive. Real people, real success. Many people are soon to be winning with Onpassive. This platform will transform lives and businesses across the globe. They will achieve their financial goals, reaching milestones they once thought were impossible. They will be living their dreams. Take Sarah, for example. Her story will soon be truly inspiring. She's a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet. Balancing work and family was a constant challenge. Onpassive will give her the tools and support she needed to start her own business. The mentorship and resources were invaluable. Then Sarah will be her own boss. She will run a successful business from the comfort of her home. She will have more time for her kids. She will be financially secure and can provide a better future for her family. This is the power of Onpassive. It empowers individuals to take control of their lives. John will eventually be another success story. His journey with Onpassive will be equally remarkable. He was tired of his 9-to-5 job. The daily grind is taking a toll on his health and happiness. He wants more freedom and flexibility. He dreams of a life where he could work on his own terms. Onpassive will give him that opportunity. The innovative tools and technologies will be a game changer for him. When John starts using Onpassive's tools, he will be amazed by the results. His business will take off in ways he never imagined. He will be amazed by the results. His business will take off. The growth will be exponential. He will be living the life he always wanted. A life of freedom, success, and fulfillment. Section 5. Your time is now. Embrace Onpassive. Embrace the future. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the opportunity to step into a new era of business and technology. Onpassive is not just a tool, it's a revolution. Onpassive is the future of business. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly integrates with your daily operations, making everything more efficient and effective. AI is here to stay. It's transforming industries, creating new opportunities, and driving innovation like never before. With Onpassive, you harness the power of AI to propel your business forward. It's time to embrace it. Don't be left behind in the technological revolution. Be a part of the change and watch your business thrive. Onpassive makes it easy for you. Don't wait, the tools are intuitive, the support is unparalleled, and the results speak for themselves. Your success is just a click away. Join the Onpassive movement today. Become part of a global community that's dedicated to innovation, growth, and mutual success. Start building the life you deserve. With Onpassive, your dreams are within reach. Take control of your future and achieve your goals. You have the power to change your future. Plan ahead, stay focused, and let Onpassive be your guide in this journey. Onpassive is more than just a company, it's a community, it's a family. Together, we support each other, grow together, and celebrate each other's successes. We're all in this together. Let's win together. Believe in yourself. Believe in Onpassive. The future is bright. Go get it. The time is now. Embrace the future with Onpassive. For more information about Onpassive and how to find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.